Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So there is one more new Instagram update in Instagram DM. So whenever you will go to a Instagram chat, there you will get an option to draw that will stay in a chat and you can also remove it. So how to use this feature, I will show you in my mobile screen. Feature, open your Instagram and go to message section, and here open the chat you want to open and click on plus icon below. You can see, and here you will see the option as draw, and you can draw anything you want, and you have to click on this send icon. So it is there now. So this is how you can use this feature. Let me know if you are loving this feature or not. Thank you.